Hey, it's Preston. We're back at Hello Gorgeous Project. Today we're going to talk about how crucial and important rough-in plumbing is. So rough-in is everything before drywall. So all your plumbing, your HVAC, your electricians, AV guys, anything to do inside the walls of the drywall. And today we're talking about the plumbing. Embarking on a new home or renovation, ensuring a solid plumbing foundation is crucial. Today we'll dive into the essentials of rough-in plumbing in residential construction, highlighting its significance and the steps involved. Rough-in plumbing refers to the initial phase where the main water supply and waste lines are installed. This occurs after the framing and before the wall fixtures are in place. It's the backbone of your home's plumbing system, setting the stage for all future installations. During this phase, plumbers focus on water supply lines, pipes that deliver fresh water to various fixtures, drainage lines, the pipes that remove the wastewater from your home, vent lines, the pipes that allow air into the plumbing system to facilitate drainage and prevent siphoning. The rough-in process typically involves planning, reviewing blueprints to determine optional pipe routes, drilling, creating openings in the studs and joints for pipe placement, laying pipes, installing water supply, drain, and vent lines according to code, connecting to main lines, linking the home system to municipal or septic systems, ensuring all installations meets local building codes before sealing walls. While DIY projects can be rewarding, rough-in plumbing is complex and must stick to strict codes. Improper installation can lead to leaks, water damage, costly repairs, hiring licensed professionals to ensure the job is done correctly and safely. A well-executed rough-in plumbing sets the stage for a safe and functional home. Investing in professional service now can save you time, money, and stress in the future. So this is the kind of stuff you're going to see in rough-in plumbing. You got your sink, your hot water, your cold water. So right here we have a wall-mounted toilet tank. So this is where all your water is going to be. Instead of sitting at the top of the tank where you can just open the lid, it's inside the wall. And then the toilet will be kind of floating as like a wall-mounted toilet. Doesn't have that big base. It's just more of a minimalistic and sleek design. So come with me into the primary bathroom. Over here we have his sink. You have your sink, your hot water, your cold water. This is HVAC. This is what connects it to the unit. Your unit's going to be right outside. And then her sink, same thing. Over here we have our tub. This will be looking out into they have a big window here into the backyard. Thanks for following me at Hello Gorgeous Project. If you want to see more of this, please subscribe to follow along. Have a good day.